Hello, today I'm making a carrot cake, and all you need is 1 cup of sugar, half cup of honey, 5 eggs, a half cup of coconut oil, and then 1 cup of organic sprouted whole wheat flour, and 1 cup and 1/4 of almond flour, and then 1 cup of walnuts, which you may not need or know, but we prefer to. 3 cups of carrot, grounded carrot, and then baking powder, baking soda, a little bit of salt, cinnamon powder, condiment powder, and almond extract and vanilla extract. And this is all you need. Okay. The flour, basically. Oops. Now the carrot cake is ready, and it took me 40 to 45 minutes in the oven, depends on the oven, at 180 degrees Celsius. And we're gonna see what we made. Oh. It looks delicious, and I'm sure it tastes delicious.